Hi, welcome to my new YouTube channel. My name is Mike. Hey Smith, what's going on?
No man, I have a trouble what to choose.
What happened, Smith?
Can you tell me, is Google Meet better to attend?
Yes, of course, Google Meet has lots of better features.
Mike, can you tell me that features?
Yeah, sure. In Google Meet, there is no need to download any app as it can be accessed from website as well. In Google Meet, audio calls, video calls and chat functionality is available. It has come up with free and paid versions starting from $14.99. It can handle up to 100 participants. 250 participants can collaborate in it. 40 minutes of video calls is permitted in it. It allows 60 minutes of video calls. Google Meet has improved video quality in low light conditions. Now you can report the polls after the meeting. For new features, Google Meet filters out disruptive background noise. You can now see up to 49 people at the same time in the auto and tiled layout options in Google Meet. Android 11.
Thanks Jack, for noticing this features.
In next video, I will tell you about Zoom Meetings features. Until then, please like and comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more latest videos.